In today's video, we're covering a complete step-by-step guide on how to interact with the Hyperliquid ecosystem to maximize your chances for the next airdrop distribution. The first interaction is visiting the official Hyperliquid website, where we can make our first deposit. All links to the platforms mentioned in this video are available in the description. After connecting your wallet, click on Deposit. You'll see a few options like Arbitrum, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. For this tutorial, we'll use Arbitrum. You can deposit USDC, USDT, or USDC.E. We're going with USDC. Select the amount and proceed with the deposit. Once the deposit is complete, your balance will be updated. Here, we already had some funds, so it was just added to the existing balance. On Hyperliquid, you can explore several features. One important action is depositing into the vaults. In this case, we selected the Hyperliquid vault. In the trade section, you can open long or short positions, choosing the asset, leverage index, and using your deposited balance. You can monitor your open positions under Positions. If you want to close it immediately, simply click Market. It can be interesting to leave your position open for a longer period, but always plan carefully. There is a risk of liquidation. Now let's make a spot trade selecting the pair HYPE USDC. To use your funds for spot trading, you must transfer your balance from perps to spot. Then let's buy a small amount of HYPE, because we'll need it for further interactions. With the HYPE acquired, we can now stake it on the platform, marking another important interaction. We transfer the HYPE from spot to staking balance, select a validator, choose the amount, and complete the staking process. Now let's move to interacting with Hyperliquid's EVM-compatible network, HyperEVM. The first step is to transfer your HYPE to HyperEVM. This allows you to use it across dApps within the network. The first dApp we'll use is Hyperfi, a lending and borrowing platform. Click Quick Borrow. Here, we'll deposit HYPE and borrow WIPE. Since these assets are correlated, we can maximize borrowing with lower liquidation risk. If you're doing the same, make sure to activate E-mode to optimize correlated asset borrowing. The next dApp is HyperSwap, where you can swap tokens and provide liquidity in pools. We'll do a simple swap of HYPE for AUD HYPE. with the L hype received, we can create a liquidity pool of hype ape. Select the fee tier, set the price range, deposit tokens, and create the position. Another similar dApp is Kitten Swap, where you can also create pools, stake tokens, and more. For now, we'll just make a simple swap here as another interaction. And finally, let's check out Drip.trade, a marketplace for NFTs built on HyperEVM. We'll buy the cheapest NFT available just to show the interaction. Of course, if you want to speculate on NFT collections, it's totally up to you. After selecting a collection and the cheapest NFT, click Buy. You can then view your purchased NFT under Portfolio. To sell the NFT, select it, click List Item, set the price, we'll list it at the floor price, and wait for someone to buy it. As a final tip, it may be very beneficial to diversify your interactions across different smart contracts. Showing activity across multiple dApps and contracts can be a strong signal for eligibility in future airdrops. However, always proceed carefully. Do your own research before interacting with random contracts. And that wraps up our full tutorial for the Hyperliquid Airdrop. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more airdrop alpha strategies. Also, make sure to follow our blog. We post a lot of valuable airdrop opportunities there.